Combination. Now what is combination and when is combination used? Combination is used when we have to select a particular set according to the given conditions from the wider set. Combination does not involve arrangements. Whenever we have arrangements involved, we use permutation, and whenever we have to select something, we use combination. Now let us see how we write combination. Combination is written as NCR and it is expanded as n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. This is how we expand combination, that is NCR. Now some things that have to be noted for combination. NCN is 1. NC naught is also 1. And another aspect, NCR equal to NCN minus R. These three things will be used very frequently, so they have to be remembered. Now let me give you some examples for combination. Let us say we have 11C4. 11C4 will be written as 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 upon 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which amounts to 330. Okay, let me give you another example. 16C13. Now in this case we see that this, if we use this particular formula, 16C13 can be written as 16C 16 minus 13, that is 16C3. Now let us put in this particular formula n factorial, that means 16 factorial upon r factorial, that means 3 factorial, into n minus r factorial, that means 16 minus 3 factorial, that means 13 factorial. So when we expand this, we get 16 into 15 into 14 into 13 factorial upon 13 factorial into 3 into 2 into 1. So we will cancel 13 factorial and we have the answer as 560. Okay. Now let me give you some examples of combination questions. Suppose you have a cricket team. You want to make a cricket team of 11 players from a total of 15 players. To select 11 players from 15 players. Now in this case we have to select, and wherever we have to select, combination comes into play. So when we have to select 11 members from a group of 15 members, we will have 15C11, that is 15C4. If we use this formula, let's expand this. 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 upon 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is our answer. So let me give you another example. Suppose we have to make a committee of, let's say, 5 people. We have to select a committee of 5 people or 5 members from, let's say we have 6 men and 5 women. So we have to make a committee of 5 people from 6 men and 5 women, and the condition says that this committee should consist of 3 men and 2 women. We have to make a committee of 5 people, we have 6 men, we have 5 women, and the committee of 5 should consist of 3 men and 2 women. So out of these 6 men, we have to select 3 men, and out of these 5 women, we have to select 2 women. So number of ways in which out of 6 men we can select 3 men is 6C3, and number of ways in which out of 5 women we can select 2 women is 5C2. So this is our answer.